What is up? And today we're in Woodwork and we're doing the Woodwork challenge. So we need to hit the post, crossbar and the other post.
Let me do some grass.
I'll show you that right now.
Post, crossbar, post.
Oh, come on!
I'll get to my position. Taking his, and he's going to boss it.
I'm going to hit
Say what you're going to hit.
left post.
Which is which side? That side.
That side.
That one.
5,
Right there.
5, 4, what the heck? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's do this.
Bang! Oh, close.
That
Right.
Flipping. Remember, Team 2 people.
Close.
Done. Bam! Bam! Crossbar, as always.
He just hit
That's
the crossbar.
done, so I need to do right and then the left, and then that's all of mine.
Yep,
and
so
I won.
see ya. Well, not see ya. What an idiot. Yeah. Seriously. Right, Williams go. Williams go. Williams go.
Let me do the right post now. Well, no, I might still
The right post. He's sticking with the left post right now.
No. Yeah, left post.
He's sticking with the left post. Yes, he did it. I think I might go right post next.
Doing
Like right post, are you?
right post.
Good. Eye on the football.
Eye on the right post. You ready? Oh,
Miss.
I almost hit the crossbar again.
So close to crossbar. Damn it. No, I wanted it on the right post.
Right post.
Yes. Get in.
Hey, this is going to hit the left post this time. I'm going to go different. I don't know why, but... Holy cow.
So, he nearly hit it. Where is it? But it's...
Where's the ball gone?
Oh. Anyway. It's over there. William. Team GB. All the way. Come on. That for left post or right post?
Can I flick it up and volley it?
Why, you want to hit crossbar?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I've already done the left and the right post.
No, you haven't. You've not done the right or the left.
Yeah,
You've done the left, but you've not done the right.
Guys,
You haven't done the right.
Guys, hit
Thomas.
the left post. I hope.
Really
hope. Keep eyes open for
Eye
the
on
right,
the ball.
actually. I've changed my idea.
Right.
I'm so nervous, but right.
on the
Look at
ball.
the right. Look at the right. Look at the right. Look at the right. Dang it, I'm so
Guys, that was
I'm
bloody.
so nervous.
Well, it's just
I really
epic.
want to win. I'm not
Next time, my turn. Liam's going to hit that crossbar.
No, right post, because you haven't done it yet. You've done it.
You're not done the crossbar
I
yet,
just
either.
said.
You're not done the crossbar either.
Boo!
Right, okay, cool. Is it
Oh, that
is
was
it the
epic,
right
guys.
post? So
Right post again.
it's my go now.
It's Thomas's turn. We can do this. Eye on the ball.
Oh.
Go left.
It's going to go left.
Put the case on.
Yeah, just for the case I'm going to lose. So next time, my turn again. I can't wait.
We're going to flick it onto the crossbar. So, it's a bit... That's where I did my crossbar. Yeah, and it's not... You did it a lot.
You were here. You were here, Will. Will, you were there. I was over here. Yeah, I was over here. Not over here.
Well, I won.
No, he didn't.
Guys, who do you think's won the challenge, me or Thomas?
Well, you went first.
You
went first. Yeah, you went first. I get my go even though. Shut up. Otherwise you won't be on my channel again, I promise. I'm not on my channel again. Whee!
Anyway, you won't see me in any of the videos then. See ya. For like the rest of the videos.